This is unboxing of eufy or eufy Clean G40 Hybrid Plus. Here are all the items the box is supposed to include. So we'll inspect them and make sure they're all intact. Your instruction manual. We'll take it up, put this aside, and we'll take a look at it later. So it looks like there's some assembly. Hopefully not a whole lot of assembly. And then the box was quite heavy, so honestly, when you see it in the picture, it doesn't look big, but this is quite big. Here's my hand. This is quite big for a base. And of course, this does mopping and vacuuming, so you expect a couple of chambers in there. After looking at all the compartments and comparing to the picture on the box, I do have everything I need to assemble this. There are things that come inside of the associated compartments. For example, this module, the mop, and these other things are separate, so you might think you're missing some parts, but you're not. They just come attached. Just make sure you have them regardless. But I do have everything to get assembled. Starting from the vacuum itself, this is your washable mop pad, and this is the module. These are disposable mops. This is a unibody filter. This is the emptying station. Inside of it comes 2 bags. These are some cable management. The power cable. This is your waterproof base. This is the cleaning tool. These are your 2 side brushes. And finally, the instruction manual, which in most cases you might not read, but you might want to read this time. The 2 side brushes are meant to go right in here and just snap on. I guess there's just 1. I was expecting 2, but note that you just put 1 at a time, and this is just an extra. This is the quick start guide, so I'm going to go through it briefly and quickly to showcase all the things that are necessary. First thing you got to do is put this brush on the side, then remove any foam, stickers might be around. Then position the waterproof pad and the base station like so. In the instructions says on both sides you must have 3.3 feet clearance, and in front of it 6.6 feet clearance. So keep that in mind, it's very important. On the back of the base, connect the power cord and wind it around the cable management. At the end, this is what it should look like. This is the final assembled product. You need to fully charge the vacuum for the first time. The LED indicator on the play and pause button is orange while charging and turns steady blue when fully charged. So that was your basic setup. You should read the mopping instructions, the cleaning and maintenance, and some important tips how to maintain it fully and operating properly. So far, the build quality is really good. Obviously, this is just unboxing and quick setup. One other thing, I just noticed this. This little compartment here, this is where all your extra stuff that you may not need can go in here. That's awesome. So if you're considering a vacuum and that does mopping and vacuuming, I highly recommend you pick this up.